How to grow and care for gladiolus plants. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Gladiolus has been a favorite of gardeners for generations. Summer blooming bulbs with orchid-like blooms produce elegant 3-foot flower spikes. They look beautiful in a vase and can be grown in flower gardens, container gardens, or even vegetable gardens. Watch this video to learn how to plant, grow, and care for gladiolus plants in your garden. Gladiolus is a perennial flowering plant in the iris family. It is sometimes referred to as the sword lily. Gladiolus flowers come in a variety of colors, including white, yellow, pink, lavender, purple, red, and even green. The bulbs are extremely simple to grow. Simply plant them in the spring for flowers in the late summer. Based on the variety of gladiolus you want to grow, it can take anywhere from 60 to 90 days for the corms to grow roots and bloom. How to plant? Prepare your garden by loosening the soil 12 to 15 inches deep. After aerating the soil, add compost and mix well with garden soil. Plant corms in the hole about 4 inches deep, pointed end up. Cover with loose soil and firmly press. Corms should be spaced 6 inches apart. Thoroughly water the corms. How to grow? Apply a 2-inch deep layer of compost mulch around your plants to keep the soil moist. Water them moderately during the growth phase to keep the soil moist. Care tips. Light. Gladiolus prefers a sunny location that receives 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Water. Gladiolus does best in evenly moist soil that does not dry out between waterings. A rainfall of 1 to 2 inches per week is enough for gladiolus. Otherwise, water your gladiolus deeply once a week. Temperature and humidity. Gladiolus are sensitive to cold weather and won't begin growing right away if you plant them too early in the spring. They do best if planted when nighttime temperature remain above 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees centigrade. Soil. Gladiolus are not fussy about their soil, although they prefer sandy loamy soil. Because bulbs need loose soil. The soil needs to drain well, as the gladiolus corms will rot in the soil if they are allowed to sit in soggy soil. Fertilizer. Gladiolus are not heavy feeders, but they do enjoy a boost of fertilizer in the spring when new growth begins. Give them a balanced fertilizer like NPK 10-10-10 when new foliage is to 2-3 inches high. If using granular fertilizer, mix it into the soil gently. Avoid damaging the young plants or their roots. Deadheading and pruning. Removing the old flower by deadheading keeps your flower bed looking good and directs the plant's energy into the plant's bulbs or corms. This gets them ready for blooming the following year. Gladiolus foliage performs photosynthesis to manufacture energy for the plant that is stored in the bulbs for next year's bloom. Allow them to grow until they die back naturally before cutting the foliage back. When the first frost arrives, dig up your gladiolus bulbs for winter storage. Prior to keeping them in a cool, dry location, let them dry out for a few weeks. Gladiolus bulbs may cause mild stomach upset in humans and pets. If ingested, may experience nausea, diarrhea, excessive salivation, and lethargy for the pets. Seek medical advice if your children or pets accidentally eat a piece of gladiolus bulb. Handling the corms can also cause contact dermatitis. Wear protective gloves when handling gladiolus corms. Uses. As a cut flower. Gladiolus is a beautiful cut flower that is in high demand in the international market due to its long vase life, attractive colors, and year-round availability. The flower typically lasts 7 to 10 days in a vase, but preservatives extend their life. As an antimicrobial agent, corm extract has antimicrobial properties and aids in the recovery of various urogenital, gastrointestinal infections. As food. Corms are consumed as edible food by people in some African countries. Other applications. Gladiolus corms are used to treat diarrhea, coughs and colds, dysentery and constipation in African countries. How do you get gladiolus to bloom longer? Plant gladiolus bulbs every 2 weeks until early summer. This ensures you have new gladiolus blooms all summers and in the fall. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Share with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep your green friends happy and well. God bless you and thanks for your time.